Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from VirtualRoof.com, where we provide cloud computing services that allow your employees to work anywhere in the world and still be under one virtual roof. We do this by hosting over 300 software applications and their associated data. Those applications can include Microsoft Office, QuickBooks, Act by Sage, Peachtree Accounting, and many more. Everything that you see in this video today can be run from a Windows PC, from a Mac, from a Linux machine, from an Android tablet, or from an iPad. If you'd like more information about our company, you can go to our website at VirtualRoof.com. You can do a search for VirtualRoof.com on YouTube. You can email us at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281. Today we're going to be showing you how to log into our servers for the very first time. So we're going to go to Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want, Internet Explorer or Firefox or Safari. And we're going to type in a website, which is cpaasp.com. Once we go to that site, we're going to click on US Login, and then we're going to click on the Downloads tab, which is only necessary if you've never logged into our servers before. We've got multiple options for downloading based on your operating system, Windows or Mac or Linux. We're choosing the Windows version, and we're going to click on Save. And in Google Chrome, in this operating system, the executable shows up down in the bottom left-hand corner. Some other browsers do the same thing that way. You just have to look for it on your particular machine in your browser to see where that software is so that you can click on it and run it. Just go ahead and accept the license agreement and all the default settings. Now that the installation is complete, it's going to ask us to reboot the system. I'm not going to do that for sake of time. You may end up having to do that. I'm just going to close the browser and reopen it again and go right back to that same website and log in. You probably can do that as well, but if you do have any trouble with it, then go ahead and reboot your computer. Okay, we're going to go back to the login page, and this time we're going to actually log in. We have 4 logins, act_1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are all demo logins. The password is LetMeIn, LetMeIn, all lowercase. Now we're going to click on the Act 2012 desktop icon, and that will launch our virtual desktop. Click on OK at this screen. It's just another security feature. And here we go. There's our desktop. We're in. As you can see, we've got icons on this desktop for Microsoft Office. Here's Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, and Microsoft Access. And we also have Act 2012. We're going to go ahead and launch that. This is the full desktop version of Act Premium. Again, the username is act_1. The password is LetMeIn. And we're just going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to show you some of the features that are in here that are not in Act for Web. And the reason that's important is because we're one of only 2 providers that actually host the full desktop versions of Act. All the other providers host Act for Web. Okay, we're in. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Tools and Define Fields. And this is something that you cannot do in Act for Web. So if you're looking at some of the other hosting partners, they host Act4Web. You cannot create, edit, or delete fields in Act4Web. You can't do any of that type of customization. Something else that you can't do in Act4Web is Sage eMarketing. If you look at this screen, here it is, Sage eMarketing. We can go right into email marketing, set up drip campaigns, surveys, and whatnot. And again, you cannot do that in Act4Web. Okay, let's go back to the desktop so you can see that we have a full-blown desktop in a virtual environment that allows you to run all of your applications and store all of your data on our servers. So here's Microsoft Word. And once again, I'm going to show you how quick it is by just typing some gibberish in here. It's typing just as fast as I can hit the keys on the keyboard. And now we're going to open up Excel. There you have it, full-blown version of Excel, as is the case with every application we host. I want to take you in here real quick, show you that you have drives on our server, H, K, and an S drive. It's also got our local drives mapped. So you actually have space up on our server where you can store files like Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, PDF files, or what have you. Once again, thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from VirtualRoof.com. Keep in mind that everything that you saw in this video can be accessed and run from any of these computers or devices on this screen. If you'd like more information about our company, you can visit us at virtualroof.com, or you can do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube and watch some of our other videos. You can also send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.